Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus to-do list applications. Let's dive into understanding their core differences. Notion provides a highly customizable workspace, perfect for intricate notes, tasks, and databases, offering immense flexibility. Conversely, to-do list apps are designed for straightforward task management, focusing on quick entry and reminders. Your choice hinges on whether you seek a comprehensive organizational system or a simple, efficient task tracker for daily items. Notion truly shines with its power and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for complex project management, building extensive knowledge bases, and fostering collaborative team environments. Users can effortlessly create custom templates, link various databases, and embed diverse content types, from documents to media. This robust platform supports highly detailed workflows, allowing for sophisticated organization and seamless information linking across all your projects. On the other hand, to-do list applications excel in simplicity and speed. They are perfectly suited for quick task entry, setting clear due dates, and reliable reminders, ensuring you never miss an important item. These apps typically offer a minimalist interface, significantly reducing cognitive load for managing your daily responsibilities. Many also integrate seamlessly with your existing calendars and email, allowing for incredibly efficient task capture and organization. To make the right choice, consider your specific needs. If you require a robust, all-encompassing system for managing multiple facets of your life or work, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if your primary need is simple, efficient, and quick task tracking without extensive customization, then a dedicated to-do list app will serve you well. Evaluate your organizational requirements and the desired level of complexity to find your ideal tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.